moment that an argument wastes. And I hate love, not her. Like when she gets upset because of something I forget, and for days she'd up and get vexed, and I hate love. And love loses respect, but earns it back with the make-up sex. A hateful love that's simply complex, but outsiders looking in always get perplexed, trying to categorize and have us marginalized, not seeing what I see, looking into her eyes. As they stereotype to assess our lives, but need to realize that love isn't always wise. So I hate love because I was seeking perfection but fell in love with imperfection, knowing love carries its own implication, creating impaired vision while preying on emotions, evoking deep affection. So yes, I love her but hate love for all its sweetly cruel intentions.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Well said.
So the love poem thing, I'm gonna give one more love section. This one is called Precious Moments. This one actually was just written the other night, fresh. So I hope you guys enjoy. The most precious moment